Hi, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the MK1 Golf. This week we're going to be repairing this front end, putting the wings back on, putting the bonnet back on, and we'll see if we can get everything lined up, see if we can get the bonnet to shut. So sit back, relax, grab yourself a beverage and enjoy. Alright then, let's get this front wing on the passenger side. I've been all the way round and I've removed the excess seam sealer, cleaned up the sort of self-tapping bolts that VW fit these things with, and so everything should be ready to line up, fit in with our new front panel and screw straight on. Things are never as straightforward as they seem, of course, and there'll still need to be some adjustment. I'll probably leave it to the body shop to do that, to be honest. You know, there's gap on the passenger side which is bigger than I'd like. The wing currently sticks out a little bit from the front door, but generally things line up pretty well, considering we put a whole new front panel on this thing. You know, there was a bit of rust in there. We've managed to get pretty good fitment straight out of the box, really, so I'm really happy with this. Okay, so we've got a little bit of extra metal left over here that I need to snip off. It's essentially the rest of the inner arch repair panel that I'd needed to make. Tin snips will make short work of that. I just need to then buzz it down a little bit so that everything fits nicely when we come to fit it. Okay, so that's the driver's side wing on, looking pretty good. Time to get this bonnet fitted. Nicely wrapped, weird kind of string method of closing it up, but there you go. So let's try a little bit of a test fit and see how we get on. Work smarter rather than harder. Say, right?
Yeah. Right.
If only I could do that, it'd be great. That's the thing. Bonnet.
No. That would suck.
Just paint it black.
I'll have to have a look then. That is a win. It's a win.
That's it for this one. Thanks again for tuning in, playing along at home. So yeah, join us again next time. In the meantime, thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, leave us a like, maybe think about buying us a coffee. Thanks very much, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.